All right, good afternoon. We've been tracking some strong storms moving through the Bay Area over the last several hours with a lot of cloud to ground lightning associated with these as well. Look at all these individual strikes. In fact, over 1,000 in just the last 2 hours. An additional issue we've seen with these, there could be some localized flooding, especially along this batch right here that's just now moving out of Hillsborough County. So if you're in southeastern portions of Hillsborough, you're over into Manatee or southwestern Polk, heads up that some of those low-lying areas, those traditionally trouble spots in terms of flooding, they're likely going to be seeing a lot of standing water. So just be careful in that area. We're seeing rainfall rates up over 1 inch an hour. As that continues to move toward the south, it's going to be bringing more heavy rain with it. Places like Fort Meade still seeing a lot of that cloud to ground lightning along 17 there. The heaviest now moving out of Bartow and will continue to slide toward the south. And now as this is exiting Hillsborough County, we're seeing some very heavy rain from around Bradenton along 301 there, over 75 toward Foxley and up into Parrish. A lot of cloud to ground lightning in your area as well. Same story as we get over toward Oak Knoll and Waterbury. It's really going to pick up for you in the next 10 to 15 minutes. Around the Tampa Bay area, for most of the area, we're seeing a little bit of a lull right now along 75, getting some pockets of some heavier rain. That's extending up toward Land O'Lakes along 41 there. And then as we head further to the north up into Hudson, seeing some of that rain as well. We've also got this one cell that's popped up out ahead of that main line, bringing a lot of lightning to Wauchula. Back toward the north, this is the really beneficial rain, that steady, moderate rainfall that's really quenching the thirst of all the trees and everything out there. And this is what's going to help to kind of bring some moderation to that drought situation that we're seeing. It's been really dry over the last couple of weeks. Starting to end now for Crystal River, but if you're driving there along 19 back towards the Spring Hill area over toward Lake Lindsay, still getting some of that moderate rainfall for you as well. Over the next couple of hours, this is going to continue to move toward the south. It'll likely be for the evening commute that we really start to see most of this push south of the Tampa Bay area, and we're just left with some showers behind that main line, which will be over into southern Highlands County at that point. And then through the overnight, we're going to continue to see these pop-up showers, maybe a few thunderstorms in the mix as well. But as we move through the overnight hours, it really should start to subside by tomorrow morning. Now, the threat for severe weather, that's now pushed south of Tampa, but we could still see some of those stronger storms popping up along that main line that again is moving through parts of Sarasota and Manatee counties right now. So in addition to all the rain we've seen, there could be some pockets where we pick up ½ inch to an additional inch of rain. Really beneficial in that regard, but it has been coming with some cloud to ground lightning and the potential for some localized flooding as well. But by the time you're heading out the door tomorrow morning, you're going to be issue free, although we'll likely still see some lingering cloud cover in the mix as well. Let's take a look at that 7-day. Tomorrow, early showers are possible. Thursday, Friday, though, looking beautiful. Heads up, though, as we look ahead toward the weekend, we are going to be tracking another round of showers and storms, likely late Sunday into early Monday. And if you want to get the latest weather information, right now is a great time to go ahead and download our free 10 News app. You can get weather alerts for your location, as well as any other locations that you select. So head to the App Store and search 10 News WTSP.